6 leader freed. Hi, I'm Ray. His name's Squash and he's trending. But up to Wednesday this week, the Mobe DJ detained under the state of emergency for almost 6 months. ER on the streets before his release to find out more about the 6.
Man steady with the gadgets.
Young music fans talking about the 6. But who are they?
The 6 is a syndicate of artists, just like the new generation of dancehall, you know what I mean?
Not really, but it's a start.
It's a new flavor to the thing. It's not so hardcore, it's hardcore, the lyrics are hardcore, but not the rhythms.
Then me turn it up again.
As you don't know, the 6 them a take over dancehall on a different level right
But
now.
why are they taking over?
Just the new style. People them like the image and the flow of the thing. It's more a new trap style. Yeah, it's a trap style. It's like dancehall, hip-hop. We just sing what we visualize on a daily basis.
But a lot of the music is about guns and violence and shooting though.
Well, it's the society today. At this moment, you know what I mean, as you can see, we have even the state of emergency right now, you know what I mean? And that's because of violence in Mobile.
Whole heap of fight with this, you know.
Mobe, where Javilani's boss hails from.
6 bosses, me. Squashman make it out before Javilani and La Boss, you know what I mean? We are just the follow-up people, them just start hear our voice now, you see me? Yeah. But Squash are forefront runner, see me, you know what I mean?
In a semi trending youth, Gucci, Prada, I'm offending suit. Every girl, I say, yo, the 6 them cute. Well fresh out here, our nasty, young.
Me no in a bankrupt.
But Squash locked up since August 8 under the state of emergency. His mother taking to social media to plead for his release. She's a pretty colorful character herself. Are you surprised that he hasn't been charged?
Yeah, but for what? He's not a wrongdoer. That's my son. I know a lot about him. He believes in music. Some song that he did, maybe it may sound violent, but he did this song a long time before things happened.
Another of her sons, Daniel Whitaker, shot and killed by the police in November 2017.
They say he's a killer, but for me, I'm not going to say no, I'm not going to say this. I don't know what my son did, but I know my son was innocent.
So you think that because they killed his brother, they took him in later? Yeah. This is Squash.
The comments they put 13 murders on him. The first time and the second time when they called for him. 13 murders, he went to tribunal, all of it was lies, so the tribunal has released him. Dr. Chang signed a paper to hold him until the state of emergency is up. No charge, nothing. Can't want everybody fit then everybody figure out prison. And if me talk, on the media they use it against him. So I mustn't fight for my son, I mustn't say anything.
So why are you talking now?
Because I don't care no more. I just don't care. They have to let him out now.
But you've been on social media talking about it a lot.
And I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to fight for my son because my son is so innocent. He's not a wrongdoer, peacemaker. Not because he's about 6. What is 6? I have 6 sons.
6 sons, but also a 666 tattoo on her leg.
6!
6 bars.
Watch out, 6.
6 out here, you know we run prof.
When I ask around, some people are saying the 6. Who are the 6? The 6 sounds like, you know, I don't know. The 6 could be anybody. It also could be the sign of the beast.
6 is real, man, you know what I mean? And same way 6 in a cash pot a strong, man, you know what I mean? So that's why I say 6 strong, same way, you see me? One time, strong.
6 bars, I am in afraid for knock it.
Squash stuck in jail, but riding the charts.
He's not the only one doing a gun song. Every artist does. So why? So what is the problem? Yeah, some of his songs is a bit very violent.
And you don't like those songs that he does, so you don't like your songs.
I love them, but some of this a bit violent. But I'm not him alone do it. The world do it. Every artist do gun songs. So what? They have to charge every artist then.
While side man fall black rain.
As for Ocherius-based DJ Javilani, isn't he worried he'll suffer the same fate as 6 leader Squash?
We buck up in a police regular and them not have nothing bad to say about we, you know what I mean? Them not pre we like that right now.
So isn't that strange that they're not preeing you in any way bad or strange, but they're preeing Squash in a different way?
Just the system, maybe next week then come for we see him, we just say thing go. Because remember Squash just bust out, you know. We just arise, see him, we are good arise, make them one wall we don't see him, you know. Squash is not a wrongdoer. Same way, them just a system, you know what I mean? Them just have something against the youth though. And them just hold down the youth because him too powerful. Them say a youth them right now. Where we say youth them just run with it. Say 6 and the whole street start say 6. You know what I mean? So them say too powerful as we say a government.
If you have so much influence and authority among young people, some people are going to start looking at you guys as a threat. And threats usually have to be eliminated or removed.
We're not doing anything against the law, just music we are do. Youth them respect we, true we are do the right thing. If the government did do the right thing, youth them would respect them same way just cause we are do the right thing, you see me? A wild side government youth them say cause we are do the right thing right now, 6.
As for Squash, the DJ's detention taking him out of the loop just when his song started to get traction, so he'll likely now be rushed for dubs and shows. Ooh La La, his second top 10 hit.
Wild side man fall black rain pan a bright sunny day make it turn bad weather.